How's my hair? Alright guys, ice fishing today. Going to a pond again. I mean, it's been warm this week and I don't like falling through the ice. So out ice fishing. I'm gonna fish some tip ups with some worms because there's not many places around here with minnows and stuff, but we're gonna try and make it our best, try to catch a bunch, make a good video. And yeah, it's Christmas time. I just got off of school, just got done with wrestling. Got a bunch of stuff in the box, and I'm doing a rod review soon. Just a bunch of rods. Got the Markham LX9, got just a small auger, especially for early season. You don't need much. So yeah, I'm pretty excited and hope we get some fish. Let's get fishing. If he likes those reels.
I'm so down. But you not like my reel? Oh, I thought he was talking to the camera. What is it, bud?
Bluegill. They're all over my screen. Pull the jack.
And your friends.
Jake, are you good at filleting?
Big Hoss! That's another key.
I call it. You didn't see it?
I saw it. You see that?
Did you get sick because me and you went out, Nolan, on Friday?
Oh, no. This goes cold.
You guys, there's my screen. I'm gonna drop down. Maybe find my bait. Alright, there's my bait right on the bottom. Oh, and there's a fish. Just gotta make it come up. See how full it is? Oh, there it is right on top of it. There it is. Little fish. Drop it there, down there and get another one.
I think it's gonna bite. Oh, double clutched it too. Alright, let's go. Jig it hard. Oh, there's one right there. Nice little one, but hey. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Dropping it down again. Let's go. Oh, one's coming up, one's coming up. He wants it. Yeah, he had. Little guy. Right on the edge of snow and rain. It's snowing more, but it feels kind of like sleet. Oh, missed him. Oh my gosh. That one just teeny. These things are just teeny. Yeah. No barn size. I can make 2 videos. Ooh, that's a big mark. Oh yeah. There's a better one. Hey, a little bass. I knew it was a little better. It's my 3rd bass. That's good. I like catching these things. Oh, stop flapping. This makes me look stupid. I like catching these little guys. I'm gonna throw them back. Hey, there's one. Little. Little fish. That's all we're catching, little fish. There's one. Yeah, that's cool. Go source. Ooh, there's a good one. Oh, a little better one. Oh, it just came off. Yeah, so much energy. A little better one. Maybe we'll start catching some better fish right now. All right.